Hey everyone, I made it into a new Five Below, a grand opening. So if you're in Arizona, it's going to be in Surprise, like right across from Costco. This location, they have plenty of Hello Kitty, you guys. This is such a perfect gift. And if you're stocking up for Easter, an Easter basket, that is perfect. And check this one out. All these are great for an Easter basket. 13 plus. These are cute. I kind of want to get some of them. I really want this guy right here. He's so cute. And they do have water bottles. So they have Hello Kitty, Gudetama, just Hello Kitty everything. These little heart ones that could be used for Valentine's Day as well. And they still have the dancing figure. So right now their candy department is completely stocked. I mean, come on, it's the grand opening. We got Krispy Kreme, Bean Boozled. Oh, those look like hot, extremely hot. I've never tried this, you guys. I don't think I can. But Pop Rocks are $1.25. Oh look, they have cotton candy.
I love how those
cotton candy Pop Rocks. Oh look. Oh, you found those? Slime lickers. And as soon as you walk in, you guys, for grand opening, you get a Five Below cup.
I'm the biggest Five Below fan.
Let's go have fun at Five Below. Look at jelly. Oh no, you have to love popcorn.
In our second trivia round. If you guys meet Miss Kim in the middle of the store, she's going to ask two wonderful questions. Whoever wins gets to pick a prize from our prize bag.
They got the hot dogs, gummies, donuts, the cherries, a large Krabby Patty, Dr. Pepper. You guys go do trivia. I'm trying to convince my husband.
All right. We're about to
$3.
second trivia round of the day.
Oh, what is this one? Ice cream candy. Have you seen this one? Oh, I got ditched. Look right here. Cola candy shots. What is that? Oh, it's a liquid. Ooh, you guys, that is new. Liquid candy shots. And these are for your tongue.
Who is the woman chasing the Dalmatians? What's her name? You know the answer, raise your hand. All right, go ahead. That is correct.
That was, see, you guys could have won a prize. That was easy. Look, you guys. They have Nickelodeon slime. Oh my gosh, that is SpongeBob. See?
Snow White become friends with.
Oh my god, 7. We have candy foam, blueberry. And what is that? Oh, color tongue. Okay. Everything here awesome for Easter basket. I'm gonna do that. Gonna grab some stuff on my way out. Okay, then of course, look at all the gummies. Hey, I found Krabby Patty colors. I haven't seen the box yet, so that is cool. They have cookie dough bites, like a birthday cake. Gaming controls, that's a wireless controller. A vibrating roller massage. Okay. I just love looking at everything in stock. Oh my god. They have a foot massage pillow. What? Put your feet on there and get a massage. Of course, the Pokemon is here. These are 10. I love these little notebooks. These are going to be the keychains. A rainbow bead kit, over 1,700 beads in here, only $3.25. That one is really cute. Here's another one in a different, like a flower. We have their rainbow, another Easter basket, and look how cute. If you want to make the Hello Kitty, only $3.25. You know, Michael's has Hello Kitty stuff right now. They are like 75% off, I think, but that is a good one for an Easter basket. Everything here in Five Below, I say. Five Below, Christmas, you gotta come here. Guess who's my favorite? Okay, they have Five Nights at Freddy's, like little Funko keychains. I haven't seen the tiny ones. Oh, look at that up there. And they do have the Black Panther for you. Here is some Disney villains. King George. And plushies. You can never go wrong with these Five Nights at Freddy's plushies for your children. Look at that. Those are so cute. I found a few shirts. These are $5 of course, and they're very similar to the ones you can find in your local Ross. And they have some tank tops, a few hair clips. They're gonna get hair ties with it. This one comes with a little scrunchie, little heart clips. Friend socks. They have Mickey Mouse, Snoopy, and Care Bears, you guys. Look at all this cool stuff they have.
Cool. So some of these are actually cool. Like this one's cool. Like that star one's cute. And then
Yeah, and they're very similar to the ones on TikTok that they try to sell you.
For like 40 bucks. And then so like this one, like this green one's really cool.
That's cute. Oh, look at down here, the little moon one.
I like that.
A little butterfly. And plenty of sandals, a house. Now these sandals right here, like the pink and green one, these look like the Cushionaire ones you can find at TJ Maxx. And you can also find Cushionaire on Amazon. They're almost very similar. I paid $20 just for house shoes. And it looks like these are wristlets or a little mini wallet. Look at this.
Cute.
That green one's cute. They have a butterfly and the mushroom one. Okay, so this one comes with a lanyard and
that's
charm.
actually cool.
These are cute, right?
Put like your school ID in this.
You can. Okay, look. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys. This right here was full earlier, and there's only one left.
I'm trying to find out which one it is.
Oh, little wooden,
That's cool.
sweet dandelion, like incense. Okay, create your own magic in here. These like a journal. Create your own magic. Sow the magic. I'm creating a life of my dreams. These are kind of cool. More mushroom. So I haven't seen these prints yet in any other location. Oh look, they have the shell. For your room, these are going to be $5.55, like room decor. Great, you can even leave it in your kitchen, maybe put some fruit in there. Love the macrame. These are only $5.55. They are going to cost you more in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Definitely get organized. The quality is a little different, but it's not that bad. So on the blankets, this one's going to have the star print. We have heart, happy face. Oh my gosh, I am living for this mushroom mug. $3.50. Enjoy your journey. Make today amazing, and you are my, what's that? You are my sun, you are my moon, and my stars. All right then. Okay, just a little bit of room decor. These vases are really nice too. I mean, you can't go wrong for $5.55. Very similar to ones again in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It's gonna be much cheaper here. Healthy bubble blowers. Okay, look at this one, the bubble chopper. Spray paint for your sidewalk. We have Cocoa Melon bubbles and Blue's Clues. So I spotted this in the corner. Look how stinking cute, you guys.
Oh wow.
There's only the penguin guys is left. These went really fast. That is so crazy. I did find a Stitch journal. These are $5, and I know they sell something really similar at Box Lunch, you guys. It comes with little Stitch tabs. And look, there's two options to choose from, and those are really cute. Everything here is Stitch. What's really great, you could buy canvas here. You will get a 3 stretch canvas mix pack. Okay, they do come in different sizes, only $5. Also, you guys, keep in mind, if you're looking for a canvas, Ross has plenty to choose from, and they're very inexpensive. Up down here, no way. Look at, you can put your pen, your phone, tape, paper clips. This is a great one for a desk or even at home, like homeschooling. It's only $5. You can't beat that. These are all $5 too. Now this one is going to come with the wooden frame panel, and you only get one, so $3.25, and you get 2 in here for $5. And they do have an art board for $5. That is like really inexpensive. Artist pens are $4.25. 48 gel pen set will be $5, of course. This one's $5. Some are going to be $3.25. That is shimmering brush markers. So it looks like they're still going to set up stuff over here. Rise and shine, good vibes. Little rise and shine. And a few more new room decor. So they have a sun catcher. Look at that, and that is only $4. Here is a storage organizer. So if you're trying to create more room, like in your closet, this would work. Honestly, it would. And a collapsible crate is $3.25. Little colors. This one's $5.55. They do have a larger one, and you know, the inflatable ottoman. Oh wow. All right, you guys, I think that is gonna do it for this location. This is a brand new grand opening, again in Surprise, Arizona. So it's right across the street from the Costco. $5.55 here. Oh, this one has like little moons on it. That's really cute. They have it in black and white. It's another shelf one. Some clear bins for you, a little corner one. Okay, there's some really neat stuff.